Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to do a video playing inside of what looks to be transparent text, kind of like this. So if you're interested in that, keep on watching. Alright, so here we are in Keynote. So again, select anything, get it all off the screen, and then make sure your document is in the 16 by 9. Okay, so this looks pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and reduce this size one more time. Take it down to be 50%. That looks pretty good right there. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and throw on, I think, a text. And we're going to say Seattle, all in caps like this. But I think what we're going to do here is make it really big. Like 500. Maybe that's too big. Maybe 400. There we go. That looks pretty good. But I want a really thick, bold font for the effect that we're going to do. So let's go ahead and change this to... I'm going to go ahead and change it to this font right here. And then I think one other thing... Okay. Then let's just make sure that it's already lined up vertically. That looks pretty good. Now, as far as the text color, we're going to go ahead and change this, and we're going to make sure that it's either a really bright green or blue. And the reason why is because we're going to apply a green-blue effect. So we can go back here to our colors. We're going to throw it up as bright green. So it's going to look kind of funky like this. And then let's go ahead and just make sure actually that our background of the slide itself, let's go ahead and make it be black for now. All right, so now we have a black slide, green text. Let's go ahead and, should we throw a little animation on this? We'll do this real quick. Let's add an effect on this. And let's do, we'll go with the scale. We don't want it to get too big. I want to make sure it's still on the screen. So we'll go right about there. And let's make this guy about 3 seconds long. So let's export this video. Export to a video. Let's make sure that we have high resolution on this guy, so 1080p. Right? And let's go ahead and export this, and we're going to call this it's called Seattle. All right, so we're going to go into our iMovie project, and we're going to grab that. We're going to place it on here, and let me show you what's going to happen. So you've got this black, you've got the green. We're going to go up here. We're going to do our green-blue. There we go. And this is a really cool text effect that you can do so that as you're playing it, you have your video playing inside of your title, which I think is a really cool effect. So if we want, we can slow this down a little bit so you can kind of see what's going on. But this is a really great way for you to show like the action that's happening behind the scenes and show you in a really cool way. So, and people, this is one of those tricks that people are going to be like, whoa, how did you do that? They're going to end up Googling it. So that is really, really cool. And that is how you get a video to play inside of transparent text. So I hope that tutorial was easy enough to follow. If you're looking for more iMovie tips and tutorials, looking how to learn how to edit, I do have my e-course iMovie Made Easy releasing October 16th. Link in the down bar below for more information on that. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video, and check out this one up here to keep learning about iMovie.